Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. So this is going to be another Louis Vuitton unboxing. A little backstory before I show you what I got. For a while now, for maybe over a year, I've been contemplating wanting to get a shawl or those scarves that they have from Louis Vuitton. But then I couldn't really see myself wearing it, or how am I gonna wear it? But I actually did try to buy one of the scarves that Burberry had, which was the really huge square scarf. But then I ended up returning it because I felt like it was just too big for me and I didn't know how to wear it. That's why I'm really iffy if I should get the shawl that Louis Vuitton has. So when I was in store to have my pochette métis checked, there was a chance for me to see this particular item that I'm going to unbox. I didn't buy it right then and there because I wanted to think things through and I wanted to see if it would fit my lifestyle, if I would be able to wear it as much as I can. So after a lot of thinking, I actually went with my gut and bought the item. This was actually shipped to me by the new SA that I have, which is so awesome. The nicest SA that I've ever met. I did open this up already. I used this one once. She shipped this in a UPS box and actually arrived next day. So here is the receipt. It was so nice, and she sent me some perfume samples. I think they don't have any in their store, but she probably got it from the other boutique that was in the same mall as they were in. So here are the samples that she got me. She got me 3 samples and she put it in this velvet pouch. And here is the ribbon. And she did send me a note with the item that I bought. So before I go ahead with the unboxing, I wanted to share with you guys this new nail polish that it's actually not new, but I just started using it a lot more recently. This nail polish, this color, I am just obsessed with this color. I love it. It is like a nude color. I love how it looks on my fingers. So if you're gonna see a lot of this nail polish on me every time I make videos, that's because I just keep using it and using it and using it. In case you guys are interested in this nail polish that I am obsessed with, it is actually by Wet n Wild. So with it being Wet n Wild, it is really cheap. I think I got this one for $2.99 or something like that. So it is Wet n Wild Mega Blast. The color is 204B and it's called Private Viewing. I bought 2 extra more. At least I have 2 more that I can use once this starts drying up. So I am so obsessed with the color of this nail polish and I love it now that I've grown my nails long. I love how it looks on. So now let us go ahead with the reveal of my Louis Vuitton item. So here is the box that the item came in, and it has the magnetic closure. So let me take it out. Here is the item that I got. It is the prettiest thing ever. So this is the Monogram Confidential Square. Originally, I was gonna get the bandeau of this one. I already have the brown Confidential bandeau and I wanted to get the black and white. I was just thinking to myself, like, it would be so nice to have it. And then I saw this one in the store. It is so pretty, you guys. It is not as big as the shawl that they have, the Monogram shawl. This is actually a pretty decent size. So it is almost 36 inches square. So I think there's like 35.5 or something like that. I really, really love the details of this bandeau. You can see all the straps and chains. And I love the black and white of this one. Let me show you the tag that this came with. It actually came with 2 tags. One just had the Louis Vuitton and the other one has the Louis Vuitton and the detail that says 100% silk. So let me show you the tag that is on this scarf. I might very well just take this out because as you can see, after one wear, it's actually starting to come off. It says here Louis Vuitton, and on the other side, it says what item this is. The item number is M78667 and this is made in Italy. And it says that the date code is 0138. So it says it was made the 3rd week of 2018. So before I show you guys the scarf on me, look how beautiful and clean the stitching is on this one. So here you can see this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So whichever is showing up when you're wearing it, it would still look really nice. I am obsessed with the stitching on the edges of this one. It is so pretty. I was talking with my SA what she thinks about me getting the silk square or getting the monogram shawl, but she actually said that the monogram shawl is a little heavier than the silk. If I got the silk, I could wear it all year round, whereas if I got the monogram shawl, I would be restricted to using it during the colder months. But regardless, you can still wear it in summer if you want to or whenever you want to. But that was what she told me, and I really thought the monogram shawl would be too big for me considering my very petite frame. So let me try to show you with me putting this on my neck. I can tuck this in, or I can even take it out. There are a lot of ways that I can actually wear this one. I'm just obsessed with how cute this one is. I love the whites and the black and the gold and the vachetta color in there. I am just so happy I actually got this one. As you can see, I'm also wearing my magnet. I wanted to show you guys the magnet being worn. It is so pretty. You can wrap it on your neck, or you can put it on around your shoulder, and you can tie this, or you can even roll this up. Ways to use this one is just endless, and I totally love it. So far, I have only worn this one once. It feels so soft and so luxurious, and it doesn't feel warm when you're wearing it. It is very light, so you can wear it any season, anytime. I am so happy that I actually bit the bullet and bought it. Yeah, this is my confidential monogram square. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love it. I am just so happy that I ended up getting it. I am obsessed with it. I can't wait to keep wearing it every time I go out. The only thing that is a con to it is you have to be very careful with your nails or jewelries that you wear. But so far, because it is silk and it's like tightly knit, I have not snagged it. The first time I wore it, there was actually a part of my skin that was trying to peel or was a little sharp, and I thought for sure it was gonna snag this one, but I felt it snag a little, but it actually didn't pull the actual silk, which is, I'm very happy. If it were any other scarf material like the monogram shawl, I would probably have snagged already. But yeah, I am so excited. I can't wait to actually wear this more. And if you have any questions on the scarf or whatever, you can put it in the comments down below and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!